नमस्ते दोस्तों, एसयूई लर्निंग में आपका स्वागत है। मैं सतीश। आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ नंबर ऑन योर नंबर लाइन। ओके, मीन्स जो भी हमारा नंबर लाइन है उस पर हमें आज नंबर प्लॉट्स करने हैं। फाइन, फर्स्टली वी विल just roughly define our number line. What is meant by number line? Number line is nothing but a straight line having numbers plotted on it at same intervals. Okay, this is your number line. For example, this is your line. First line has two never ending ends and it has some space in between it, on which we are going to plot some numbers. How to plot them, that we are going to discuss now. Okay, now first set under consideration is our set of natural numbers. What set of natural consists? It consists starting from 1, 2, 3 and it takes so on numbers. Okay, it has infinitely numbers starting from 1. Now I am going to my number line and I will just start from anywhere. It is my 1. Okay, then I am going to 2, okay, 3, then 4 and so on. Look at this carefully. Now I have plotted 1 here and then 2. In between these 2 there is a gap. Okay, and that similar gap is between 2 and 3. Means you have to place equal different number in equal distance. Okay, your consecutive numbers will come after same distance. Okay, this is important while plotting your numbers. This was about your natural numbers. Now starting natural number obviously start from 1. That's why I have written 1 here, then 2, 3, 4. Between each two numbers there is a same distance. This is important thing. Fine. Now we will go to next set. It is our whole number set. Okay, whole number set consists of 0 and 1, 2, 3, consisting of 0 and natural numbers. Now we have plotted our natural numbers. The extra term here it is 0 only. Okay, 0 is the extra term, others are nothing but natural numbers. Now where you are going to plot your 0? 0 is nothing but exactly left hand side of 1 having same distance like this. Okay, this is your 0. Okay, this distance will be same as like this. Okay, these two are same, these two distance. Okay, this distance and this distance is same. That kind of number is called as your 0. That there you have plotted your 0. Now you have plotted your whole numbers and natural numbers. Now we will quickly going to integers. Now integers are numbers that are having negative numbers as well as positive numbers. Now your integers having negatives also. That's why I will quickly just draw one new number line. Okay, here now look at here, your integers consist 0. Okay, then I will go to directly 0 first. Okay, here it is your 0 and then I will plot my positive numbers first. Exactly same place I have plotted, right? Here it is 1, then 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Means the distance should not change. Now I want to plot negative numbers. What happened with negative numbers? Negative numbers are numbers, those are situated exactly left of your number line, right? No, left of your 0. Here it is -1, here it is -2, -3 and so on. Okay, that's why you can observe 0 is the middleest number of your number line. It is also called as origin of your number line. That's why 0 is also called as origin of your number line. Okay, 0 is origin of number line. Positive numbers are right hand side of your zeros and negative numbers at left hand side of your 0. Now you know how to plot integers. And last, you know integers consist of whole numbers as well as natural numbers. Therefore you can see here this number line consists of your natural numbers as well as whole numbers and your integers also. This line represent all three kinds of numbers. Now next kinds of number is your rational numbers. Now how to plot rational numbers? Rational numbers, first observe the set of rational numbers. Rational numbers are nothing but the numbers, those can be written in the form of p by q. Okay, where p and q are integers, are from these numbers only. Okay, your p and q are integers, but q must not be equal to 0. You cannot divide any number by 0. It will be not defined term, right? That's why q must not be equal to 0. Now we will just try different kinds of integers. Rationals are nothing but fractions. For example, I am taking 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 by 3. Okay, like these numbers are here. 4 is to 1 by 2. Okay, then 100 by 50, 100 by 53. Likewise, for example, these kinds of number you want to plot on your number line. These are nothing but rationals in the P by Q forms, right? For this number, you will require one number line first that I'm going to plot now here. This is your number line, and I want to plot these 5 numbers on this number line. Firstly, you have to draw your 0, okay? Then you have to draw your natural numbers. Now look at here, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but exactly half of your 1. Therefore, you will require only 0 and 1 to plot it, okay? Then I will just go to 2. This is your 3, okay? 2, 1, and so on, okay? Now there are no negative numbers, therefore we will not require left hand side, okay? Then also I am plotting this number. These are nothing but your integers. Now I want to plot your 1 by 2. Now we want to plot your 1 by 2. For 1 by 2, you will go to 0 and 1, right? You will go to 0 and 1. Consider this interval. You want your 1 by 2 now. You will just make exactly 2 parts of your first interval. What is this? This is this some part and this is other part. Make sure that this must be equal parts, okay? Now here it is your 1 by 2 and here it is your 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but your 1, right? This is your 1 by 2 now, okay? Means exactly half of your first interval. This is your 1 by 2. This was much easier. Now we will go to 3 by 2, okay? 3 by 2. For 3 by 2, you will make exactly 2 equal parts of each intervals, okay? Here it is, we have already made it. Now here I will also made one exactly half of it. Similarly here half of it, okay? I have made 3 more points. This is 1 by 2. This is your 2 by 2. Now this is your 3 by 2. You can observe here. This is your third part. Third out of 2, okay? That's why you will get 3 by 2 there. Now you can observe here. 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2, okay? 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2, right? Means here, look at here, 1 complete 1 and then 1 by 2. 1 complete 1 and then 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but half of this interval. Here it is, right? Therefore it will become 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is exact. Now come here, okay? We will plot our 4 1 by 2, okay? What happened with 4 1 by 2? I will, for this 4 1 by 2, this is positive number. Therefore I will start from 0. I will go for 1, then 2, then for 3, then for 4, then for 5. You can observe this. This 4 1 by 2 is exactly lying between 4 and 5. You can observe this, okay? Therefore I will directly go for 4 first. Here it is your first 4. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is your 4, okay? Now this is your 4. Now I want to go on exactly half beyond it, okay? Then I will just make that intervals 2 parts, each equal to half. This is your first part and this is other part. These 2 parts are same, okay? Therefore this is 1 by 2th part of this part and this is 2 by 2, okay? Means this is your 4 and this is your half, okay? Half of that part. That's why it becomes 4 1 by 2, okay? This is your 4 1 by 2 means 4 complete parts and half parts beyond it. It becomes 4 1 by 2. That like this you can denote your this type of numbers, right? Now the last number 100 by 53. How you can you can denote this 100 by 53? For this we will require number line. Again, for this we will require new number line. Okay. Now consider this as your new number line, right? We want to plot 100 by 53, right? Now observe carefully this 100 by 53. This is nothing but a number between 1 and 2. Since 52 it is 106. 106 is greater than 100. Therefore this number will lie between 2 and 3. Therefore we will not require more numbers. We will require just only 2 numbers. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, this is 1, this is 0, 1 and this is your 2. We will have 100 by 53 in between these 2 numbers only, right? Now I want to make 100 by 53. That time I will make 53 equal parts of each intervals. What I will make? 53 equal parts of my each interval. That's are nothing but these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 8 9 10, and 1 2 3. These are your 53 equal parts. Similarly, you will go for this interval. These that will make 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10. 1 2 3 6 5 4 8 9 10. 1 2 3. Okay, these are your equal parts of 3 as well. Means you are having now 53 equal parts here of 0 and 1 interval, and for 1 and 2 you will have 53 equal parts here also. Now how to plot 100 by 1 on this exact line? You will go to hundreds part of your this number line. Why? Since this is your 1 by 53, this is 2 by 53, 3 by 53, this is your 10 by 53, 20 by 53, 30 by 53, 40 by 53, 50 by 53, and this is your 53 by 53. Okay, this is 10 part, therefore it is 10 by 53. This is your 20 by 53. Okay, this is your 30 by 53, 40 by 53, and 50 by 53. Okay, and this was your 53 by 53, means 1. Okay, this is your 53 by 53. Now we want to go up to 100. Okay, 53, then it will be 63, this is 73, this is 83, 93, and 7 more in between this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, this is your exactly 100 by 53. Okay, this is your 100 by 53, means these 53 equal parts and more 47 equal parts. You will get 100 equal parts. 100 by 53 will be situated here only. Okay, like this you can plot any rational number between any rational number on your number line. Fine, this was all about your rational numbers. Orally, you know there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, that we are going to see on number line, whether there are infinitely many rational numbers in between two numbers or not. Okay, that's for this we will record first your number line. Okay, this is your number line, and you want to find rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 2, 2 by 3. 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. These are two your rational numbers, right? These two are rational numbers. We want to find rational numbers between these two numbers. I am saying there are infinitely many rational numbers between these two numbers, and how they are looking like we are going to see them, right? Now this is your 1 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. Now just go write this 1 by 3 as 10 by 30 and 2 by 3 as 20 by 30. What will happen? Okay, this will equals to exactly 10 by 30, and this will look like 20 by 30. Okay, these two numbers will look like 10 by 30. Now you know 11 by 30. This is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, what will happen? This is your 10 by 30. This will be your 11 by 30. This will be your 12 by 30. Similarly, this will be your 15 by 30. This will be your 18 by 30. This will be your 19 by 30. And this will be your 20 by 30. This number. Okay. These are your rational numbers in between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now there are 10 only. Now I am going to increase my number, this 15 by 30 to 16 by 30. I am going to check whether how many numbers are there in between 15 by 16 and 16 by 30. Just zoom it. Okay, I am just going to zoom it. What will happen? This is your 15 by 30, right? And this is your 16 by 30, right? And there were your 14 by 30. Here was your 17 by 30. Okay, likewise, some here was 2 by 3 and some here was 1 by 3. Now this whole thing is happening in between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now just go for what I am saying is 150 upon 300 and just 160 upon 300. Yes, these numbers are nothing but 15 by 30 and 16 by 30 only. You can observe it. Just cancelling 1 0, you will get 15 by 30, and just cancelling 1 0 here, you will get 16 by 30. Means this number is nothing but 15 by 30, and this number is nothing but 16 by 30 only. Now just go on observing what happens with 151 by 300. What will happen? Exactly 151 will be greater than 150. That's why this number is greater than 150, and 151 is less than 160. Therefore 151 is less than 160 by 130. Means that number will lie between them. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Means this 151 by 300 nothing but exactly this number. This is your 151 by 30. Just go for 152 by 300. This is your second number, 152 by 300. Similarly, on so on, you will go to up to 159 by 300. Okay, this is your 159 by 300, and these whole numbers belongs to 150 and 160. Likewise, you have find 9 numbers in between 50 by 13 and 16 by 13. Actually, 15 by 30 and 16 by 30 was in between 1 by 2, 3, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Here it is 10, here it is 10, in between here it is 10, means you get 100 numbers in between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Similarly, now go for zooming, 151 by 152. What will happen? Here it will be your 151 by 300, and here it will be your 152 by 300. Right, and here will be your 150 by 300, and here it will be our 153 by 300. Okay, and so on. Somewhere here you will get your 2 by 3. Right, since everything is, these numbers are in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, therefore somewhere here you will get your 1 by 2. Now we are in this two, in between these two numbers. Now just observe this. Now 151 and 152, they can be written as 151 0 upon 3000. Similarly, 152 can be written as 152 0 upon 3000. Observe it carefully. Now, this 1510 upon 3000 and 1520 upon 3000 is nothing but your 152 by 300. Since by cancelling these zeros, you will get 152 by 300 and 151 by 300. Okay, these two numbers are nothing but by doing this, what we are getting is, we can just go for 1511 upon 3000. This will be definitely greater than 1510 upon 3000. Since denominator is same, but numerator is greater than this. Therefore, this number is greater than this, and this number is nothing but this. Therefore, this is greater than this, and that number will lie above your 151, and this 1511 is less than 1520. Therefore, will lie between 152 upon 300. Similarly, go for 1512 upon 3000, and so on, 1519 upon 3000. Okay, these are 10 numbers between these two numbers. Now there were 100 numbers in between these two numbers. Between that, from that 100 numbers, we have chosen any two numbers here. We have chosen these two numbers, and between those two numbers we are getting 10 numbers again. Means 100 into 100, we are getting now 100 into 100 numbers in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Can you observe this? Okay, now we are getting 10,000 numbers. Okay, this is your two numbers. Now go for these two numbers, you will get 10 numbers again. Now from this 1000 number, we will get 100 number from each this number. That's why you will get 10 lakhs numbers between these numbers, and go on zooming, go on and on zooming this number. You will get 10 lakh, 10 crore, 10 million, 10 trillion numbers in between any two numbers. Like this, you can go up to infinity. Means between these two small numbers, you are having here infinitely many numbers between them. At the end, these infinitely numbers, from this infinitely number, you choose just two numbers, and between that two number, you will also get infinitely many numbers